let's jump straight into it. So in this particular tutorial today, you can take a look at this my trust wallet right here. So I have literally accumulated this sum amount of USDT on my trust wallet, which is this. Let me refresh it so that you guys can actually see everything right here. It's free. Now I literally accumulate this 102 USDT. It's actually little money from just getting some cryptocurrency, selling it at a low price, buying it at a low price, and then selling it at a higher price in some other cryptocurrency. So take a look at it. Here are the a lot of cryptocurrency that I'm registering on. So on this cryptocurrency exchanger just for me to spot a particular cryptocurrency that is selling on a lower price, and then I will literally sell it out in some other cryptocurrency exchanger where the crypto is selling on a higher price. So that is the particular method of arbitrage. So if you literally spot a particular cryptocurrency in any of the exchanger, just as I spot this on gate.io, take a look at the particular cryptocurrency right here. It is selling at this particular price as at now. Okay, so let's say I'm using 100 USDT to purchase this particular cryptocurrency right here. Okay, take a look at the amount of this specific cryptocurrency that I'll be seeing or I'll be getting right here. So I just have to go ahead and simulate everything right here, now that you have literally get to know the particular cryptocurrency, you too, I will advise you to simulate it before you literally go ahead and go live and trade it. Then just go ahead and click on accept after you have purchased this particular cryptocurrency right here on the gate. Then click on accept right here. So just go straight to withdraw the specific cryptocurrency straight to the other cryptocurrency exchanger that we literally mentioned right here. Okay, so search for the particular cryptocurrency which is XCH. Take a look at it right here. Okay, so make sure you look at the particular network. So this network right here will charge you 0.04 cent as the network fees right here. Then just go straight to the other cryptocurrency right here that we literally mention right now, which is KuCoin. So in KuCoin, I literally support the specific cryptocurrency at a higher price right here. Take a look at it right now. Okay, let's simulate this again. Let's say you have finally withdraw that particular 500. Let me say yes, I think it is 100 USDT I purchased this idea simultaneously. Now we're getting this particular amount of XCH token right here. Okay, so we literally go ahead and sell it out right now. So we'll be getting this particular amount of USDT right here. So the profit is 0.47 cents right here. But if you do this countless like maybe 2 to 3 times, you will literally getting a ton of amount of money every blessed time you literally carry out this. Okay, so now we'll be selling it at this particular price right here, and then you'll be getting profit from it. Okay, so go ahead and click on accept if you are looking for the particular cryptocurrency wallet address for you to literally send the crypto from the other crypto exchanger. So what you just have to do, click on accept, click on deposit crypto right here, then just go ahead and click on cryptocurrency. Now just go ahead and search for the particular cryptocurrency which is XCH right here. Take a look at it right now. Okay, now this is it right here. So just go ahead and click on it. It is the blockchain matches the same. Take a look at the blockchain right here. It also matches the same blockchain right here. Okay, so just go ahead and click on it, paste the wallet address right here, and then you hit on withdraw in this particular place. You will receive the money right here on your KuCoin right now, and then just go straight to your spot trading right here on your KuCoin. Go ahead and select the particular cryptocurrency price right here, and then you select all the particular XCH token that you buy from your gate.io straight to USDT right here, and you repeat the process by sending USDT straight to the other gate.io and also buy the particular cryptocurrency. Repeat it like 2 to 3 times or probably 10 times a day. You'll be getting a lot of profit from this. So that's how I literally come across this particular cryptocurrency that's selling on a low price on gate and then on higher price on the other KuCoin. So I actually do all that and I actually end up getting this some amount of 100 USDT right here. Okay, so it's not actually a one-day work. I do this several because I have my team around me that I literally give the signal, so they do all this for me. Okay, so now I just encourage you that yes, cryptocurrency arbitrage buy loan, the particular cryptocurrency exchange and selling higher in another cryptocurrency exchange is actually a way to make money on cryptocurrency spot trading. But hereafter, let me actually let you know this. This is actually a disclaimer. I'm not responsible for your losses or your profit right here. Please just take this just as an educational purpose, not a financial advice. Okay, so now that you have know all this, don't forget to smash that subscribe button. It's very important. Like this specific video because it will enable you to get new particular videos concerning cryptocurrency arbitrage, and then you'll be the first people to literally navigate and make some amount of money from cryptocurrency arbitrage. So if you're finding it difficult to spot any particular crypto that is selling on the lower price and the other cryptocurrency that's also selling on a higher price, now just go straight to this particular Chrome browser, search for this particular thing right here, which is arbitrage scanner. I will also drop the link on the video description or in the pinned comment right there. Go ahead and visit it. Make sure you literally use the link on the video description. You will get 1 month free or probably 24 hours free, which is 1 day free. Yes, so just go ahead and click on this side right here, then click on this particular arbitrage product, click on arbitrage scanner or arbitrage screen right here. Now what you have to do, just have to go ahead and click on subscribe right here. Make sure you just go ahead and purchase any plan in this particular place. It might be 1 month plan or 3 month plan or probably 1 year plan. But if you don't have money to purchase any plan right here, you just have to go ahead and stay tuned in this particular channel. It's very important so that anytime I drop new particular video concerning arbitrage, you will be the first way to be notified and then follow up the trade right here. Okay, so that's that for this particular video. I'll end this video right here. Bye bye for now. See you in my next video.